Hi guys, so welcome sa ating YouTube channel. The title, so yes, that is correct. This is the unboxing of our new iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I just wanna go ahead and give you guys a little bit story. I'm still with Smart. I'm still with Smart. So siya yung carrier ko. So I'm on a postpaid plan. So I'm thinking getting this new iPhone because again, upgraded. So thinking kasi matatapos na rin naman yung contract ko. Yeah, right timing. Shout out to Dominic of Smart FM Manila. So he is the one who assist me and feel like very special because again the reason why tumagal ako sa Smart kasi the way their service. So everywhere it was tested. So during that time I remember nag-travel pa kami from Apari. So the signal and everything is wala ko talaga masabi. So going back sa ating story. So Dominic PM me and asked me if I want to get the new device, which is the phone that we're talking today. So sabi ko, sure, why not? Since kasi matatapos naman yung contract. Push through ko naman siya. So 19 of October, so the day that I went to SM Manila, so nag-pre-order na ako. Now, so 25th of October, so that is the release or the launch day of the new iPhone 11. So during that day, meron pa kasi akong work. Ang nangyari, so syempre out ako ng 8 AM. So thinking, usually kapag may upgrade ka or renew ka ng contract as early as 10 AM, I remember when I had Galaxy Note 8. So, like 10:30, may tumawag na sa akin and says, hey, your device is ready for pickup. So, yun, going back dito sa iPhone. So, pag uwi ko, past 9 na, so excited. I'm thinking na 10 or 10-ish, somebody or someone will gonna call or text me. So, still, sige, siguro sobrang busy talaga. So, kinulit ko si Dominic. Sorry again, Dominic. So, tinext ko siya. Sabi ko, hey, how's my pre-order? Okay ba siya? And then, sabi niya, wait lang po, i-check namin. Katulog na rin ako kakantay. So, hindi ko na malaya. So, it's already like past 12 in the afternoon. And then, wala pa siyang reply. So, sabi ko, ano nangyayari? Sabi ko, bakit wala man lang notification, which is, although alam ko, same day, na approve na rin naman na yung pre-order ko. Nag-browse ako sa online, sa Smart page. I found out may mga nag-pre-order din doon na hindi pa nga rin naka-receive ng notification, call, or text sa Smart. So, meron naman pumunta sa Smart, hindi na nagkantay notification. Good thing, meron na silang nakuha. As in, available na yung device nila doon. And ayoko naman mag-risky kasi medyo, travel time, medyo malayo ang SM Manila from Caloocan. So, LRT, back and forth. So, ayoko pumunta doon. Then, wala akong madadatnan. So, sayang ng effort. So, ayun. So, tulog ako ulit. Yun nga, nakita ko yung reply ni Dominic. Sabi niya, hi, your device or your unit is ready na po for pickup. So, ayun, I'll just gonna post the, journey, my video. Although it's a hassle, but still fulfilling because I got this. Ayan, so check natin yung bag for security, feeling doon yan. ako sa loob ng office. So, hinihintay natin yung unit kunin ni Sir Dominic. So, nire-ready na siya. So, I just got my unit na. So, here's the 11 Pro Max in gold. And this is 256 gigabytes. So, I have my name at the back. And then yung service reference number. I do appreciate Dominic for assisted me kahit wala siyang pasok that day, pumasok siya. Once again, thank you so much. For those who are asking how I got this or what's my plan, I'll just gonna post video yung plans and services. I'm gonna show you sample picture of this new phone. Alright, so going to our main agenda, which is the unboxing. So again, this phone already unboxed sa store to check if there's a dent, crack, make sure the charging is working, and etc. So I just want to once again do this unboxing for my YouTube channel. So as you can see at the cover is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and the box is in black cover. Compared to the previous boxes, it was white, and then also the Apple logo, it's on the gold font. Now at the back, again you have the 256 gigabyte storage. So it includes iPhone 11 Pro Max, earpods with lightning connector, USB-C to lightning cable, and USB-C power adapter. So nandyan siya, nakasulat yung mga information. So yeah, the phone is really, you know, flawless or sexy, whatever you call it. So here's the actual unboxing, so let's just watch it. So, it was tested already actually. First unbox niya is sa store. So, syempre, gagawa tayo ng sarili nating unboxing dito sa ating YouTube channel. So, set up ko lang yung Face ID. So, first scan complete. So, continue. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. So, there you go. So, there you have it. So, yeah. So, once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to click subscribe. And if you want to notify whenever I have a new uploaded video, just click the bell icon, and then you will be notified whenever I have a new upload. And also, if you like this, you can also share it to your friends and loved ones. So I can't wait to have at least 1,500 target for my next giveaway. So once again, thank you so much for your support, and see you on